how to see saved passwords on your Android device. For that, you need to open up Chrome application in your mobile device. And here, make sure that you log in with your Google account. Here, tap on the three dot icon from the top right corner. From here, tap on Settings. Once you're under Settings, scroll down and there tap on Google Password Manager. So once you're under Password Manager, you will be able to find all the password that you have saved in your account. So you can open any of that. You have to enter your device security method, that may be your screen lock or your passcode. And here you can view your password if you tap on the eye icon, or you can edit or delete as well. So this is the way to view or see saved passwords on your Android device. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.